Do you guys love to vibe around with like-minded people? Then this video is exactly for you. Hi guys, my name is Sanyog Bhargav and I welcome you all on this YouTube channel. I have created this YouTube channel especially for podcasting. For those of you who don't know me personally, I started my vlogging channel way back in 2020 and I failed horribly on it because of COVID. I could not upload my vlogs on a regular basis and also I was not consistent at all that time. But this time, I have promised myself that I'll be more consistent on this channel, right? So, I know a lot of you might be thinking that why I started this channel, right? So, my answer to your fundamental question is pretty simple. And that is, whenever I interrogate about myself or whenever I see things in introspection, the one thing that I found eventually, and that is the regret of not saying things which are meant to be said. And by this I mean, like, कई बार ऐसा होता है कि we personally feel that I wish कि मैंने उस टाइम बोल दिया होता तो आज सिनेरियो कुछ और होता, या मैंने उस टाइम उससे ये ना बोला होता तो आज बात कुछ और होती. And all these silly mistakes happens because of poor communication, and that's where we all lag, right? So my number one reason to starting this podcast is pretty simple. That is, I just want you guys to work on your communication skills, and also while sharing my experience I will learn so much of how to communicate, how to interact with people. And also, while I was traveling to India way back in 2017, 18 and 19, I have met so many amazing personalities that I've never imagined that I'll get an opportunity to meet all of them, and I've learned so much from all of them. I cannot even tell you whatever I understand, whatever I am today, because of the traveling wala part that I have done in my past years. And you learn so much when you travel, and that's basically, it's an ultimate investment if you see it properly. So come to the question why I started this podcast. Number one reason I have already given you, that I want you to guys work on your communication skill to leverage the power of your communication skills. And secondly, I have met so many personalities and I want all of them to be on my podcast so that I can share some value towards your life. That's the ultimate aim that I'm having right now. On a weekly basis, I will share one video that how you can level up your game in terms of communication. I'll share my book recommendations, I'll share my TV shows that I watch, I'll share my podcast that I listen. Everything will be 100% transparent to you guys. All I want is your 100% attention toward what I'm saying. Is I don't need your subscription, I am not asking for your likes. All I need is your valuable comments, that what you have learned and what your future plans. ठीक है? So this video is pretty simple. Basically मेरे को बस यही बताना था कि what is my goal with this podcasting. I have mind fucking goals with this channel, right? You just need to wait and watch. Also, when I was in my college, like in my first year, I had started reading about highly successful personalities, and I think when you open your mouth, you tell the world who you are, and it's your responsibility to say good things about yourself. So master all those skills, and for that all you need to do is just practice, practice and practice. That's the ultimate fundamental answer to all my questions. Practice is the key. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and I'm coming up with an amazing episode of this podcast. See you guys in the next video.